Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby de Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful 2-row stitch. Super easy to do, very fast, and I found that it's absolutely beautiful. I want to make a bigger project with it. So right now I'm just showing you how to do this, just in case you are looking for a nice stitch to do one of your projects. This is amazing. You know, I'm very easy to do. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the list of material you're gonna need to make it. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see that video in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel. Then you will find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I can send you the link. And at the end of all my tutorials, I leave a playlist with all my English videos. For this stitch, I'm gonna use this leftover yarn for demonstration. They are the loops and thread ball-like simile lane. They used to be 100 grams. The color is denim blue, and it is 85% acrylic, 15% nylon, and a super fine one. The crochet hook is 3mm. You're gonna need tapestry needle and scissors for the project that you are doing. This stitch is multiple of 10 plus 1. So I'm gonna do 31 for this tutorial to teach you the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I have my 31, I will meet you here. I have my 31 chains. Now I'm going to chain one more to turn my work around. I'm going to go to the second chain from the hook and do a single crochet. Now you're going to yarn over twice and you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then number 5 you're going to do a treble, 5 treble crochet. That's 1, yarn over twice, 2, 3, oh my goodness, 4 and 5. You're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over twice, 5 treble crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 finally. Now you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then number 5 you're gonna do a single crochet. And then you finish the first routine. And I recommend that you're doing a project that you need a little border. I recommend to do 1 row of single crochet. That way you don't get only 1 strand here. So this is just to show you the stitch. With 1 strand is fine for me. But if you like, you can do that row of single crochet to have a better base for it. That's the recommendation. Now yarn over twice. And you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Again, you're gonna do 5 treble crochet. 1, 2. I'm very close to stitches width. 3. 4. And 5. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over twice. 5 treble in the same space. Three, 4, and 5. You're gonna count. The first one always gets smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Single crochet, and like that you're gonna continue working all the way until the end, and it will look like this. And I will meet you here when I finish the first row. We're gonna work at the second, and it's a 2-row repetition. For the second row, we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to turn your work around. And you're going to do yarn over twice. You're going to skip 1, 2 treble crochet. You go to the third one, and you're going to do a treble crochet that you don't going to finish. Yarn over twice. Go to the next one, a treble that you don't gonna finish, yarn over twice, go to the third one, and a treble crochet. Now you're gonna slip through those loops. You're gonna chain 1, and now you're gonna chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Single crochet and the chain 5 space. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over twice. You're gonna come here to the first treble crochet, and you're gonna do a treble crochet that you don't gonna finish. Yarn over twice. Go to the second one. You don't gonna finish. Yarn over twice. Go to the third one. You have 4 loops. Yarn over twice. You're gonna come to the other motif here. You're gonna skip 2, you go to the third one, a treble crochet that you don't gonna finish, go to the next one, and go to the last one. Now you're gonna slip all those loops. You're gonna chain 1 to close the top, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And single crochet, and like that is how you're gonna do this row. You're gonna chain 5, and you're gonna do that repetition in here, and then we're gonna do the end of the row, and then you start repetition of row 1 again. You're going to continue with that repetition and all the space that you have until you get to the last half of the border. you know, this side stitch. So once you get to the last one, you're gonna chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're gonna do yarn over twice, go to the first treble crochet, and you're gonna do the treble that you don't gonna finish. Yarn over twice, go to the next one. Yarn over twice, go to the third one. And now you yarn over twice, and you're gonna go to that single crochet in here, and you're gonna do your treble crochet. You're gonna close those loops like that with the chain, and you're done your second row. Now I'm gonna show you one more time how to do row 1 and 2, and then from there you can use this beautiful stitch for any project that you like. You're gonna chain 1. You're gonna turn your work around, and the same space where you close all those stitches, you're gonna do your single crochet. Yarn over twice, you're gonna come to the center of this single crochet, and you're gonna do 5 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over twice, 5 more treble in the same space. Three, 4, and 5. You're gonna come to this space where you close all those treble crochet at the top. And you're gonna do your single crochet. And again, you're gonna do yarn over twice, and then you're gonna do that repetition again in here. 5 treble crochet and 5 treble crochet, 5 treble crochet, and then you're gonna finish with the single crochet in here, and then you do the same repetition. You'll have exactly the same amount of motif that you had in the first row. We're going to do the repetition of the second row again. You're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to turn your work around. Yarn over twice. You're going to skip the 2 first treble crochet and go to the third one. A treble crochet that you don't want to finish. Yarn over twice the next one. Yarn over twice the third one. You're going to slip stitch and chain 1 to close the stitch, and you never count that one because in there is where you're going to do your single crochet in the next row. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go to the chain 5 space and do a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over twice, go to the first treble crochet that you don't gonna finish. Yarn over twice to the next one. Yarn over twice to the third one. Yarn over twice, you go to the next half of the motif, skip the two first one, go to the third one. That's 1. That's 2. Yarn over twice and the third one. You're gonna slip through those 7 loops and you're gonna chain 1 to close those stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and single crochet in the center at the 5 chain. And like that is how you're gonna continue this row until the end. And these are the 2 row repetitions. It looks like a very complicated stitch, but it's a beautiful and easy stitch that you can do this even watching TV. Once you finish here, to continue with the motifs, you will chain 1 single crochet and then you do 5 treble crochet and this single crochet, chain 5, 5 treble crochet, single crochet, and so on. And then you will do those 2 row repetitions until you have the desired length for your project. You can do a shawl, a scarf, you can use this for a cardigan, you can use this stitch for a beach bikini cover up, a beach dress, I don't know, for the tablecloth, for a bedspread. You can use this for many projects, and it's absolutely easy and beautiful stitch. And I hope you guys like it and give a thumbs up and give it a try, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And if you make this stitch or anything with a stitch and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and groups, and don't forget that thumbs up and a comment, even a hello. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.